Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character out of a female in a black sailor outfit by Popoya, a pack of 5 pixel fonts by SpicyGame, Blocky Pixel, Mega Pixel, Super Wide Pixel, Micro Pixel, and Pixel Sans. Next we have 48 icons of paint. Wait, why are these labeled as paint? Aren't these potions? I suppose these can be whatever we want them to be. Paint in a bottle or urine test samples of aliens by Free Game Assets. A sprite of a giant dragon by Circle of 9. This is the last screenshot of Harold before he was eaten by the dragon and had to be replaced by Raid of MZ. A Tileset of Rural Japan by Gucci Krim. And lastly, a large collection of graphic assets for MV and MZ by Aoi Setsuna. Animations, battlers, icons, tilesets, vendor skins, basically every category. So be sure to explore this one. Mutation Gene Simulation Technical Development Laboratory. And that's all for today. I wanted to say the name of the website in full just for the record, as these individual websites can have lesser lifespan compared to hosting platforms like itch.io and boot.pm. So be sure to grab the assets while you can.